This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Raise the front and rear of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. The vehicle must be in a level position when resting on the jack stands. Remove the transaxle check fill plug. Then remove the drain plug. Drain the fluid into a suitable container capable of holding at least 4 quarts. After the fluid is completely drained, install the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Fill the manual transaxle with the recommended lubricant through the fill hole. A suction gun with a hose attached will be useful for adding the fluid. The fluid level in the transaxle should be even with the bottom of the fill hole. Allow excess fluid to drain into the pan. After the excess fluid has drained, wipe off the area around the opening and install the check fill plug. Tighten the plug to the specified torque setting. Lower the vehicle to the ground.